Hi, AP Psychology. We made it through the first week. Yes, we did. We made it through week one. All right. So, yes, Jack is very proud of us. So I know the PowerPoints were hard to download, so we're using this instead. I hope that works. Your FRQs are due on Friday night. I've been reading them. They look good. They look pretty good. So we're starting our review. I started posting PowerPoints of our old lessons, but with my commentary on it. Yay! Some of you reached out and said that was a good idea, so we're going to continue to do that. So I'm going to continue to post up those videos for you on Monday. And I think what we're going to do for the foreseeable future is have every Wednesday an FRQ will be due. I'm going to post the FRQ onto Google Classroom. So it'll go right onto a document like what you did this week. And then due on Friday, you're going to complete a multiple choice quiz on AP Classroom. So I know that the College Board has stated that there will not be multiple choice on your exam. However, I think that doing multiple choice for each unit is a good idea because in order to answer the FRQs, you need to know the content first and then the application of it. So the multiple choice is a way for you to practice the content. Okay, so I hope everyone is well. I know this is a very scary time. I know it's overwhelming watching the news. So just a couple of bits of tips that I have for you. One, turn the news off. After a while, you gotta not watch it. Two, go for a walk. It's beautiful out. You are allowed to leave your home. You have to stay 6 feet away from people. Don't linger. And but go for a walk. Maybe listen to some music or check out the um, scenery. I found a guy doing some calisthenics on his roof. It was pretty entertaining. Jack likes looking at the squirrels, So you have to keep sane in this. The other thing I just wanted to note, sorry, is if you are looking for something to watch, because maybe you're a little bored because you're stuck at home, 100 Humans on Netflix is absolutely fantastic. Okay. All right, so 100 Humans is a docu-series where there's 100 people and they have these experiments. It's silly, but it actually goes through some of the stuff that we went over in class. Oh, come on, dude. It goes over some of the stuff we went in class. It goes over sensory and memory. It goes over different things that may help you with the FRQ because remember the FRQ is not just definitions, it's applications. So understanding the topics and context. All right, so this was just a check-in. Again, I hope you all are doing well. Let me know if you need anything, if there are things that are unclear online. But for right now, we're in our review part of the year. And the AP board will give out more information on Wednesday, April 3rd. Nope, just kidding, that's a Friday, right? On exactly what your test will be. If I had to guess, it's just the FRQ section as it stands. I don't see them changing that because the other exams that they posted should be about 45 minutes. You guys get 55 minutes for the FRQ. So I think a modified FRQ is what you're looking at. All right, but when I know more, you'll know more. And that's it. And again, I really hope everyone's well. Go for a walk. Watch some Netflix, take deep breaths, and we're all going to get through this, okay? All right. Thank you, Jeff.